On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Facebook and then click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage here. Make sure to enable the roaming data, the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and disable only the background data like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on this force stop as you can see. Now all what you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Facebook and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.